Okay.
All right.
So someone should count us off.
3, 2, 1.
Raunchy.
Oh, ma'am.
Sam's just survived.
Damn! Oh my god.
Oh.
She's so innocent.
I don't like you.
She's got the whole deer in the headlights thing.
She likes it?
Oh.
She has one leg.
She owned. Good.
It's like the best job, Sam.
Sam, you're amazing.
She is practicing.
Oh, you're catch.
Go all the way. You can't stop.
God. But don't choke. Don't choke though.
There's no stopping now.
You can stop if you want to.
Don't cry.
You got it? You should be proud of your picture, so you can be proud of that.
Good dramatic.
Does it clear your sinuses a little?
Yeah, it clears everything. Oh my gosh.
Was her not as big as you guys' is?
Yeah.
Mine was really
She had
juicy.
7 pieces.
Mine was really juicy.
Come on.
Just see them. Oh, come on, Eric. Tears are
Force it down.
streaming.
Let's go.
Come on, Eric.
Come on.
Come on, force it down.
Oh, Kyle's got one left.
Not gonna lie. Yeah.
He's crying.
Uh-oh. You go down.
Okay. Both down to one. Both.
Erase time and go back. Did anyone get me dominating? Like really?
Yeah.
Finish it.
We gotta go. Is that really the reaction though? Gagging is the reaction? I could not.
I can.
What? I would.
Could you get the chunks at the end when you get through the juice and you get this nasty chunk and you just think about it and you
It's like eating orange.
or it's
Yeah.
worse.
No, it's not.
Dude, you have one slice left and you eat your whole
I
thing.
just ate it.
Well, way to finish it. Woo!